Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 645, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our watch. We can do it by finding the Garmin Connect application icon on our phone, pressing and holding on it to open this menu. Then we can tap on App Info, and here we can select permissions. Now we need to allow certain permissions. As you can see, we have allowed list and not allowed, and we need to allow the call log, contacts, phone, and SMS. We can also allow the calendar if you want to. So let's allow the permissions by tapping on the permission, tapping on allow, going back. Again, tap on permission, tap on allow, go back. Okay, and once you're done allowing the permissions, remember call logs, contacts, phone, SMS. Okay. Once you're done, you can close this menu. Now let's open the settings on our phone. In settings, we need to find the notification access. You can tap on the apps and notifications, then tap on advanced, tap on special access, and tap on notification access. And in this menu, you should see the list of applications. Find the Garmin Connect, tap on it, tap on the switch, then tap on allow, and it should be enabled. And once it says allowed, you can go back to settings. If you're using the newer version of Android, I believe 12, you can if you can't find the notification access, simply tap on search and type in notification access. It should redirect you to it. Okay, once you're done and with the notification access and permissions, we can open the Garmin Connect application on our phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on menu icon, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, tap on our Forerunner 645, and here tap on the sounds and alerts, then tap on smart notifications. And here we can customize the settings for the notifications. We can enable or disable the notifications during the activity or not during activity by tapping on the switches. We can also tap on show option to customize which notifications or which type of notifications is gonna be displayed. And you have all notifications, calls only and text only. And alert, we have vibration and tones. So tones, so only the sound, tones and vibration, so both, and vibration only. And we can select the best option for our preferences, basically. So customize this. And you can also tap on privacy option, and here you can select the action, gesture, or off. I believe it's if you want to see the notifications and you have the action option selected, you need to press some kind of button to see them, and gesture, you will need to perform some gesture to see the notifications. Okay, and once you're done customizing your notifications and they're enabled, you should be able to receive notifications on your watch. We could try to install the fake notification app, so let's try. Okay, let's install it. Open it. And this app allows basically to generate fake notifications. So we can add the notification. Priority high. Let's change the icon, okay. And tap the check mark. So we have the notification right here, and we can tap to generate it. Should be generating notifications. Oh, it did. As you can see, it appeared on our watch. So it's working. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.